Hello friends, today we are going to learn how to remove pimples and spots in Photoshop. First, create a background copy. Go to blend mode and select vivid light. Now go to image adjustments, invert. Next, go to filter other high pass. Set the radius to around 19.4 and press OK. Come back to your background copy. Go to filter blur Gaussian blur. Set the radius to around 3.7 and press OK. Now create a layer mask. Select the brush tool. Make sure the gradient is black and white with white on top. Set the flow of the brush to around 33%. Now, brush over the areas with pimples or spots. You will see the skin getting smoother and the pimples reduced naturally. And that's it, your image is clean and ready.